And we are about to set off 60 points in the Nifty.
Yeah, first rates coming up on your screens now. And what do we have? It's higher, 24,800 plus on the index. About a third of a percent up. The Nifty Bank is up as well, but, not very much. Just blinking red and green. The small cap index is up a third of a percent. The mid cap index will come up on your screen. And I think there's about a 0.4% bump as well. Broader markets opening a little better this morning as compared to the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Actually, Bank Nifty is flat, so that's out of the equation. And the Nifty heat map should give you a quick sense of where there is more green and red. And there you go. So it's largely up and about. And metals, the two metal names, JSW and Tata Steel, that Morgan upgrade that I was talking about earlier, they're there. And on the other side, you've got a couple of financials, HDFC Life and Kotak, etc. There's ICICI Bank as well. So, but bulk of it, 45 odd names are opening in the green as far as the Nifty 50 go. Surabhi.
It's really metals all the way. All through the last week, the metals pack has been fired up, and it's all China related. Hopes that production cuts will kick in and therefore stabilize prices perhaps here in India as well. Tata Steel, JSW Steel, 3% on these stocks. Big moves coming through. Even Hindalco is up, but the rally in the party is more in the ferrous space than the non-ferrous space as the day kicks off. Mahindra announcing those price cuts, 1.5% lower. Tata Motors, 1.5% higher. Ditto for Tata Motors, also up 1.5%. Let's see what IT is doing. Not too bad, actually. Remember, IT had a very wobbly Friday because of some absolute fake piece of information that was floating around. There were lingering concerns, but it seems that the statement from Mr. Donald Trump, that for now is stabilizing IT stocks. The index is up, TCS, Wipro, most of these stocks are also on the upside, so no problems over there. Some of the life insurance stocks are still correcting. SBI Life, HDFC Life, down between 1% to about 0.7%, depending on which one you're looking at. And banks are very quiet. ICICI Bank, Kotak, all of them. Axis Bank, absolutely at the flat line. Let's look at HDFC Bank, absolutely flat. Let's see if the Bank Nifty decides to lift off. But right now, a very quiet start for this one. Nigel.
Well, that's right. Let's keep a few stocks on the radar. The newly listed company, Vikram Solar, they won a 336 megawatt high efficiency solar modules. I think that's the reason why post that order win, the stock is up close to 4%, and volumes are very, very high. So that's one stock that I'm noting. The other one is Prime Focus. Large trade on Friday, large trade today as well. Well, the street seems to be sniffing some kind of news out there because the volumes are extremely high, more than 3.5%. Actually, now more than 5% of equity has changed hands in the first couple of minutes itself. Suntech Realty, promoter showing the faith. The street likes it. The stock is up and about. Swiggy is higher. Nomura came out with the note. They have initiated coverage. Target price of around 550 rupees. The stock is up close to around 3%. They are pointing out that the food delivery business and steady profitability path and a key cash generator. So that's a couple of points that they put out there. Vedanta, timing is wrong. The metal index is up. Vedanta wants to foray, and take a new challenge on. Could be positive in the longer term, but for the near term, the street is saying you've got enough on your plate. Just focus on that. And that's why that's actually underperforming in today's trading session. So that's under some pressure as we speak. JTL is another stock from the broader markets that's moving higher on very, very large volumes. And I think there was an announcement over the weekend about Ola, a couple of funds entering as well. The stock was under the weather in Friday's trading session because it was put in T2T. But today it's popping back up. It's up close to around 2%, though it was one of the big losers in Friday's trading session. So a good opening. We're holding at around 24,800. The broader markets, that's the one where you're making the money.
Absolutely. By the way, so it's a 60-point bump on the Nifty. We're at about 24,800 as things stand right now. So it's a decent start. The number one volume-led gainer right now is NetWeb. NetWeb is trading with another 6% pop. And I must say it's completely re-rated, in the last 5 days or so, basically, right? Not completely but maybe a little. But it's gone from 2,300 bucks to 3,200. It's gone up $1,000 in about 4 sessions, 5 sessions flat, and almost nearing 1 million shares on NetWeb coming through. The other one, of course, was E2E, where L&T picked up a stake. I can't spot it today, but otherwise it's done very well. TBO Tech is back to It had that big move post the acquisition, then it sold off a little bit, but it's basically back at those high levels, 1,600 rupees or so, 1,615 on TBO Tech once again. What else? Shalby Hospitals had a very large move on Friday. And it went from, basically 196 to about 220 on Friday. And it's up another 20 bucks, 238 now, 240 basically. So in 2 sessions, Shalby's done phenomenally well. Prime Focus, of course, we've been highlighting. There's another large crore-odd shares which is traded. So 10 on Friday, 10 today. So 20% in 2 sessions flat. And then you got a name like Mosship. I highlighted this on Friday as well. And Mosship is up another 7%. So again, it's 5 sessions. Stocks gone up from 160 to 260, 266 actually today. So that is Mosship. And by the way, it's the 3rd largest volume-led gainer on the NSE. And that's the reason why we are highlighting it. More than 500,000 shares which are traded on this one.
Just a couple of more stocks, Prashant. The reason that TBO Tech is reacting today is because the deal was announced, mid of the week, but the con call was on Friday post-market hours. So that's why brokerages have come out with their notes as well. In our morning chat, on the day it was announced itself, the early morning, we had said that could be the stock. I think from there it's up closer on 20%. The other one we pointed out with regard to delivery-based buying is First Cry, Brainbees. The stock, it was at around 350 rupees odd. It's now at around 420 rupees. A big underperformer, but that seems to be coming back into play. And that's why that one as well are following up Friday's trading session with another 4% gain. So interesting to see whether or not it can hold on to that.
All right.